Hey guys, what's up? Funny story. My 5-year anniversary is like next week, and I lost my wedding band. Kind of in a bad situation now. Kind of need to find a new one. So you want to come with me? We're gonna go to the store and see what we can get. So I'm hoping I find something pretty cheap. You know, I don't want to spend too much money on that ring just because I've been married for 5 years. And to be honest, like, I think we overpaid for my wedding ring. Alright, so I just pulled up to a big name jeweler. Basically, I'm gonna check out what their selection looks like, and we'll see how it goes. But really trying to not spend as much money on this wedding ring, because this isn't the first time I lost mine. I've lost my ring quite a few times. So just trying to see what they have available, something that still looks good, doesn't look like this traditional like crappy ring. You know, I want something kind of modern and sleek. So let's see what they have. Okay, so bought it. Got my receipt right here. $299.99 plus sales tax. $323.24. They had a warranty. It was like $39.99 for 3 years, and it doesn't help me if I lose the ring again, which it'll probably happen because I'm kind of bad at that. So yeah, got the ring in here. I'll give you a closer look once I take it out of the box and stuff. Rolling back up to my house right now, and just wanted to let you know that there's a kicker to this story, and it's that actually I have another ring that I'm going to be comparing to this $300 one that I just bought. And it was a $20 ring from Modern Gents Trading Company. It's a black titanium ring, identical to the one I just bought for 300 bucks. So we're gonna see what the difference is and see if it's worth the 15x markup. Okay, so here is my receipt. As you can see, it was $299 plus $23 tax, $323.24. There is the ring here. You know, it looks nice, fits nice. I'd say not bad, but it was 323 bucks. Now we've got this ring here, which is from Modern Gents. Looks almost identical to it. It's a little bit lighter in weight, but it fits great. And this was $19.99. So what's the difference between the two? The bezel is a little bit bigger on the Modern Gents ring, as opposed to the big box jewelers is not as big. They are both black. They both fit nicely. Not gonna discount that. But I can buy 15 of these, actually 16 of these, for the price of this. So what's the verdict? I think I'm going to take that other ring back, and I'm going to opt for the Modern Gents ring. Looks almost identical, and it was like 1/15 of the cost. So I'm a pretty economical guy and don't necessarily want to overspend money on something that I might lose again. So that's it. That's a wrap.